If you are a content creator just starting out on YouTube, I know the struggle. You want to grow your channel, but you don't have the budget for ads or fancy tools. So what's the secret? Without spending a dime, you can actually grow your channel. Well, stick around, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some easy, no-cost strategy that anyone, I mean you, can use to grow your channel fast. Let's dive into it. First thing first, let's talk about optimizing your channel. A strong channel foundation is very crucial. It costs absolutely nothing to optimize your profile. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Start with a killer channel description. Your about section, like where you write about your channel, that section should be clear and specific. Let potential subscribers know that you know what you are doing exactly. Yes, they will need to know that, oh, this is the content they are subscribing for. That means you need to make that place as clear and as descriptive as you will like your subscribers to know. And you can do that by using ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT is available for everybody. You can just tell ChatGPT to write out a description for you based off on your niche on your channel. You get, just type on ChatGPT this prompts I'm going to be showing you on the screen. Okay, so next thing is you need to create a very eye-catching channel art. I mean that thing that you see at the top of everybody's channel where their picture or whatever it is always there. You need to create something that is very catchy and very nice. It is also called channel banner. I think that is what everybody knows it as. Use free tools like Canva to design a professional looking banner. Make sure it is consistent with your content and style. You can check out videos on YouTube on how to create a channel banner. Please don't overlook it. It is as important as every other thing you want to do in your channel. Next, you need to organize your video into playlists. And I think playlist looks like, oh, every person does playlist on their channel, but it is not like that. Like, it is very important. It's just like arranging your products. If you have a shop, it's just like arranging your product on the shelf so that anybody that comes in will be able to know that this is what I am going for. You know, when you go to a shopping mall, you see they have different sections. By the time you're walking from one section, before you know it, you're already interjected into another section. That is how playlist is. So you need to organize your video in a way that your subscribers will be able to see that this is what I am watching. Okay, by the time they finish watching one, like in your playlist, another one is already ready to play under your next video, if you get what I mean. Now that we know how to optimize our channel, the next thing is consistent content creation. I know this is like a cliche. Everybody says it, you have to be consistent, you have to be consistent. Yes, consistency is key. It doesn't mean that you have to be posting daily or start by like posting every other day. No, it just means that you have to stick to a regular upload schedule, whether it's once a week or bi-weekly. The key is to making sure that your audience know when to expect new content. Like maybe, for example, I post every Wednesday, every Thursday, and you stay consistent. With that. I always say this, that it is better for you to have like quality videos that you put out consistently than to like be under pressure to post every day and you are giving below par. No, you shouldn't be doing that. So always have a consistent day that you post, and in YouTube's mind it will register that this is the day this person posts. The next key under how to stay consistent is engage with your audience. When people post comments under your video, please ensure to reply them ASAP. And sometimes you might not get comments on your videos actually, but please yourself by yourself drop comments under your videos, like in form of call to actions, like, okay, what do you think about this video, or what do you like about this video? Just drop a question kind of comment that will make people that watch it later on to engage in your video. Show that you care, building loyalty and boost engagement, which is what YouTube loves. Okay, and who will not give YouTube what it loves? The next section is leverage YouTube's SEO. YouTube SEO is where you can make a big impact without spending a dime. Yes, quote me anywhere. And you can do this by one, because I know you'll be asking, what is SEO? People keep saying SEO. Well, it is search engine optimization. I think I'm right. If I'm not right, I'll put it on the screen. Number one, the way you can do this is by optimizing your title. Make them clear, compelling, and includes keywords that people are searching. And you can do this by you see ChatGPT as is a life-changing tool that I don't think most people know. As a creator, you know, you can use it to search for anything, but as a content creator and a YouTuber in 2025, if you don't have ChatGPT as one of the tools you use to create your content, then you are dulling. I am plugging you on this one. Okay, just type on ChatGPT to give you keywords people are searching under that video that you want to create. Okay, and you are going to be wowed by what it's going to give you. Okay, the next thing that you're going to be doing is write detailed description. Be sure to include keywords naturally under your description using ChatGPT. Like I said, don't stuff them, don't model everything together. Think of your description as a way to tell YouTube and your viewers exactly what your video is about. Okay, the next thing is use tags wisely. Tags are like hidden keywords. Use them to help you to understand the context of your video. You can research similar videos to see what tag they are using, but don't overdo it. Okay, the next section we're going to is promote on social media. Yes, for somebody that has been on this business for the past 4 years, I know the importance of cross-posting. What I mean cross-posting is posting on other platforms to promote a video or a content you post on one platform. For example, promoting your YouTube videos on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook is also a powerhouse for getting more views. Okay, share your videos on this platform. Make sure you use relevant hashtags, sharing moments in the video that can drive curiosity to them. You can share it on your story, share it on your TikTok in such a way that people will want to see more. For example, you see how all these skit makers do it. Most of the skit makers are actually on platforms on YouTube, like YouTube and Facebook, where they are really monetized, but they bring clips from their content that is already posted on YouTube. They bring it on Instagram, just like an appetizer for people to actually watch, and you'll be like, what next, then they will quickly run to YouTube to go and complete the video. That is what I'm talking about. And the next thing on this point of promoting your videos on other social media platform is join Facebook groups or relevant groups that are in your niche. I did not say you should go and join other YouTubers. So I said join groups that resonates with the content you post. Maybe you post about marriage, you can join groups on marriage on Facebook. There are so many groups on marriage that you can join on Facebook. Join those groups, engage them. Don't just go and post your link there. Look for groups that match your niche. Share your content there, but remember, don't just drop links. So engage and contribute values. Then in the process of contributing values, you can drop your links, just to buttress your points. People will be able to say, oh, this person is saying this, let me go and even see what he's saying. To be an active member of the group. You get what I mean? Don't go and join groups for like, subscribe for subscribe. I already said that in my first video, and if you don't watch that video, go and watch the video. I already told you the mistake you should not make. So if you are doing all this and you're still making mistake, you might not see the impact on your channel. Okay, and last but not the least is collaboration. Collaboration can be one of the fastest ways to grow, and guess what, it does not cost anything. It just needs you to keep trying. I know, like, in this age and time, everybody wants to be on their own, but collaboration is the new oil money. You can see the way, like, big content creators, especially the skit makers, saying skit makers to buttress my points, because I know that a lot of us watch skits. Okay, so you see the way they bring themselves into each other's video. That's what is called collaboration. I know that one day YouTube will get there, whereby creators, small creators like us, can be able to collaborate, and it costs you nothing. You can just chat that person up that you feel that you are in the same niche. Like, there is no competition. It's collaboration to be able to monetize your channel, and to be able to have, like, when you collaborate, it helps you to give a broader and a wider idea about the topic you are filming about. You get what I mean? So if I'm saying the other person saying theirs, so people from their own channel will also come and watch, and from your own channel will come and watch. Okay, and if you know that, oh, I've not gotten to the stage that I can collaborate, another thing you can do is be in the comment section of your colleagues. I don't want to call them competitors, those that post content like you on YouTube, engage their posts to write meaningful stuff on their posts. That also can help their subscriber to also notice you, if you get what I mean. So be there, and don't just do it because you want the subscribers to notice you. Do it because so that the other person can say, oh, this person is also engaging my post. You know, that way you can build trust. And even if you now later reach out to the other person that, oh, can we collaborate, you'll be like, oh, okay, I think I normally see you under my post, okay, let's collaborate, you know. Sense. Another thing, you can also give a YouTuber a shout out in your video. You can say, oh, you know, I filmed this and this other person also said something like this. You can go and check out their YouTube. Imagine if somebody, this person you give a shout out, is like by chance now saw your video, give them a shout out. It gives like, oh, so this person notices me and all that. This person notices me. You know, there's no how. I'm going to come in as a Christian. There's always saying that honor brings favor. By the time you are saying this, it's a way of honoring the person, and before you know it, even if you reach out to the person later, let's collaborate, the person will likely not turn you down. Okay, let's recap. So I said, optimize your channel, be consistent, master YouTube SEO, promote on social media, collaborate with others. Then you can grow your channel without spending a penny. Abi, it doesn't cost you anything. With everything that I've said, if you internalize them and actually do them the way I've said them, you will see changes in your channel. These strategies are tried and tested. With dedication, they will work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your channel. And let me know in the comment section, what is your biggest challenge when it comes to YouTube growth. I am here to help you, and until I come your way with more videos that's going to help you grow your channel, I remain your media assistant. To do.